The airline industry is highly competitive, and New York is one of the most competitive markets. United wanted to stand out in the crowd. With 3 major airport options, United wanted to display the strength and superiority of Newark. New York passengers tend to default to JFK and La Guardia, so how could we position Newark as the best option? With data and innovation. We created a bespoke audience using unique and proprietary data sources. We then overlaid real-time location data to identify areas where we could reach them best. In addition to taxis, we used digital street furniture sites to create an exceptional presence in these highly targeted neighborhoods. To boost our audience attention, we used dynamic creative. Location data layered with real-time traffic data was delivered instantaneously to over 750 individual taxi and link locations. By comparing travel times, we delivered hyper-contextual messaging relevant to our audience at every moment, highlighting to passengers the shorter travel distance to Newark. And if travel times didn't favor us, other messages would display alternative benefits bespoke to that location and to United. This exciting concept allowed New Yorkers to see that Newark is often the quickest and easiest choice. And the results continue to amaze us. With insight, targeting, and data, United won New York.